Hey guys, it's Hannah here and welcome back to my channel. I am here to unbox the June Simply Gilded box of 2020, which is called With Aloha, and I've been so excited and so impatiently waiting for this box because when I saw the theme, I was just I don't know, overwhelmed with all the pretty pastel goodness that's in this box. And it came in the perfect time because I've kind of had a tough day today, and I just needed a little bit of a pick-me-up, and this box came and it just, all its beautiful colorness and knowing what's inside, I feel like this is gonna do just a trick to cheer me up a little. So I'm super excited. The box itself is gorgeous with this like watercolory tie-dye effect, which is kind of a theme that's in this box. Sunbeams and sunset dreams, it says here, super beautiful. And it's a super big box, like even the envelope was bigger than it used to be, I think. And there's something here, it's kind of bulky. I don't know, I know some things that are in here, but I'm not entirely sure if I've seen the mystery item actually. So I'm really excited for that. So let's just get into it. Alright, so let's get this baby open. Oh, here it comes. Alright, so yes, that was it. We have the padfolio here, which is, I've never heard that term, padfolio, but that's what Irene calls it. So that's what I'm gonna call it too, and it's so beautiful. I love this print and things are falling out. It's very beautiful. It kind of looks like a beautiful clutch, like you could be, you know, wearing, you know, out and about or to a party or somewhere. It could be part like in your bag. We have the beautiful pen here. Maybe I should just take that first since it already fell out. This pen is a beautiful ombre pen. Reminds me a lot of the pen that was included in the August box last year. It had a gradient with very similar colors. Actually, I'm gonna show you that pen real quick because I kind of want to compare anyway. Oh, these are really similar. Oh man, the colors are almost identical. The hardware is the biggest difference, as you can see, with last August being gold and this June being silver, and you can see the ombre order is a little bit different too, but we do have a pastel yellow, a minty pastel green, and a pale pink, which almost the colors are all the same shade, except this one has a lot more green in it and the order is a bit different. But yeah, so it's really awesome actually. If you have a setup that has these colors and it happens to be silver and not gold, then you have a silver version. So that's really awesome. And these are like my favorite colors right now anyway. So I'm not complaining that they're similar. I actually love both. And like I said, depending on the setup, it's great to have, I can choose like silver or gold, what's the best, and I can still have all my favorite colors. Enough babbling about that. That's the pen. Gorgeous. Let's continue. All right, so let's open this baby up. We have, I think everything is gonna be silver foiled in this one. Oh yeah, I have seen the mystery item. I believe this is the mystery item. We have some nail decals, which is really, really unique and cool. We have rainbows, pineapple, little, oh, what's that called? It's a type of leaf. Tropical one, I can't remember now. We have a little hibiscus flower and heart, and the bows, of course, super cute. And I always love the backings that Irene does. So there's more in this. I think I'm gonna take everything out and then go through the padfolio itself. So we also have what we call a pencil board. This one is a different size than the one we've had before. Oh, I love this. I love this side actually. Oh, I think that's right. It was upside down. We have got a pencil board before with the January box. It was B6 size, and this seems to be, it's not A5, it's not as wide, but I feel like if you have an A5 planner, this would be perfect to like tuck when you're writing, so that you I don't know. I haven't really used a pencil board. I think it's good to use. Actually, I could use something like this in my Bible when I think about it, if I'm writing, so it doesn't bleed through to the next page or make marks, like indents from a certain pen. So it's something like that to protect it. Maybe that's a good idea. Yeah, I'm gonna have to think about that. But these are good things to have. You could also punch this and use as a dashboard in your planner if it fits. I like this. I like I said, I haven't used it, especially not the way it's intended to be used. But I feel like you laminated beautiful artwork. You could do a lot of things with that. So I am actually loving these additions to the box. Then we have here. I'm gonna take this one last because this one kind of belongs to the Padfolio a little bit. We have the journaling card of the month, which is a beautiful postcard style. It's, horizontal instead of vertical like this. I don't know why. The print almost looks a little fuzzy. I don't know why. Maybe it's supposed to be like that, but I don't think you can see it on camera. But in person, it looks it doesn't look as clear as they usually do. I don't know, maybe the printer had some issues. I'm not sure. But either way, beautiful painting by Irene. So much detail, so beautiful. The colors are just amazing. This is something you can definitely frame. It does look like a postcard, so yeah, it's beautiful. And then we have everything that's in here, which I will look through at the end, since, I'm already going through everything. We do actually also get a notebook, and it's a very simple one, as you can see. I'm gonna take off the plastic. Here we go. It's a very nice matte laminated finish, and it is a dotted notebook, like a bullet journal style. And it's the same print that this had, which is beautiful. Doesn't have any foiling on it this month. Doesn't have any what's it called? Like design really, like usually there's some sort of saying or an icon of drawing or some sort. This is very like plain in a way, but I do love this pattern so much. I feel like you could use this notebook for a lot of things, and it's versatile in that way too. So that, I'm not complaining, especially because we already have this one if you want to have a little bit more jazz it up, Plus the whole Padfolio thing, which we're getting to really, really soon. We have the stickers here, just making sure there's nothing else in there. Oh, I love these stickers so much. Sadly, summer is coming to an end soon. However, today we do have very summery weather here in Sweden, so we will see if I end up using this one this year or not. Maybe I will wait for next summer. We have the seals here. Love these. I love that these have become a standard. We also have date dots or hearts, date hearts. Also love that this is a standard, as well as this is a new standard. With the icons, which are also heart-shaped, just like the date dots. It's really nice. It just really works with Simply Gilded. She even has a little heart in her logo, So, love those. And this is the mini add-on sheet of half boxes and an extra full box and some checklists and deco. Love I think it's hibiscus flowers. I love the drawing that she's done of them. And now we have the kit itself, which is beautiful. I love the font that she used this month. It's really fun and kind of carefree, and I love that. So here we have both of the sheets, all in silver foiling. This box is, very Hawaii themed. And I know that Irene has been to Hawaii maybe multiple times, but I know she's been there and she loves it. So she draw a lot of inspiration from that, as well as Louis Vuitton bags, apparently, for this tie-dye pattern thing. So a mixed combination of luxe and paradise, which I think works really well, and she made it all look beautiful. I have not been to Hawaii. It's on my list though, and based on this, I really want to go there. If Hawaii makes me feel like what this looks, then definitely yes, please. And I do love all the sayings, believe in your dreams. Yeah, these are all beautiful. So, so beautiful. Love the colors so much. Especially love that there's pastel yellow in there. Yellow is underrated in my opinion. So I'm happy whenever there's yellow in anything, really. So, going through the padfolio itself. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's like this nudish peachy pink. Yeah, a nudie peach, I would say. This is the whole thing. It's big, you know. This is like my arm. So, yeah, it's a big one. It doesn't weigh that much. It's faux leather. So it actually feels like all of her other like sticker books and other items. It's the same material. And this padfolio, it's a very practical, like stationary item, I would say. And it comes with this, which is meant to be in here. I believe this is an A5. Actually, it feels a lot taller or thinner than an A5. So maybe it's an A5-ish pad. We have Erin Condon sized boxes in beautiful silver foil. You could do like one for every day of the week and some notes. You could decorate this. You could just write things. You could do meal planning. You can do whatever because it's blank. You have some space here though to make like a label it or something. It's supposed to go in here. So it kind of hangs off there. And you can even tuck more stuff back here if you wanted to. Like you saw, everything was tucked very nicely in here before. And there's even space for the pen right here. This pen loop is quite big. I always want pen loops to not be too loose. I want them to be a little, but you can go like this. It would flop around a little bit, so gotta be a little bit careful. But then we have here a secretarial style pocket. I mean, everything came in here and you could easily fit everything back and organize it with whatever you want. And I also love this little heart. I do love that this is plastic because when I saw her Insta stories, I was worried that it was just going to be open. And this is quite a big like heart, a big space. If you put some small things in there, they would fall out if there was not some sort of protection. But it is. Irene, as usual, thinks of everything. So you could put something in there and you will see through it, like, I don't know, these, for example, which is really cute. I love that idea. I love that it's a heart. All the attention to detail that Irene has is always amazing, and that's one of the things I admire about her. Also has a D-ring here, so if you have a charm, you could put it here, or you could hook on some keys or something. I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna be using it for the purpose it's meant to be, if I'm gonna be using it at all, or how I'm gonna use it. I'm not really sure yet. I just know that this is a beautiful item, and to get this in the box is amazing, and it's beautiful. I kind of just want to put it up somewhere on display just because it's so pretty. So yeah, we'll see how if I end up using it somehow, I'll try to let you know. But I'm just so glad about this really exclusive, special, beautiful item. So yeah, thank you so much, Irene. But that's not the end of it, because there's even some more here. We can't forget about the washi. This is Simply Gilded after all. So, all right, so we do have another one of these drawstring pouches this month. I do like this because I tend to go to these whenever I'm gonna be like traveling with jewelry or something. This is a beautiful one as well. Getting to the washi, oh, they packaged them this month. Usually they just come in the bag. They usually don't have plastic around them. I don't know, I wonder why they did that. Oh, doesn't matter. Let's see. I'm gonna take the 5mm add-on last. I'm gonna go through the beautiful washi here. Actually, I'm gonna open them, roll them out, and then I'm gonna show you a bit more closely. Oh my goodness, how beautiful these are. I just had to stop and take some pictures for Instagram. That's why there's all these things all around. But oh my, this one definitely has to be my favorite. It has like all my favorite colors in this beautiful watercolory tie-dye ombre with the bows. Just so pretty. Then we have, I love that these are two different colors of washi. There's this blue version This one is a beautiful tie-dye effect. This is actually one of those thicker, sparkly washes. You can't really see it here because of the lighting, but trust me, when sunlight hits or the certain type of light bulb, it sparkles like crazy and it's beautiful. Then we have a like neon pink with the waves, which is a really nice pop in this box. This is a beautiful one with the sea turtles and hearts. This one is also that thicker with a layer of sparkle, just like this one. So these two are the same. Then we have a silver just bow perforated one, which is like the header size and style, which I love so much. I love that we're getting these, especially that these are neutral. I could so easily just match this to any silver spread I'm ever doing. Then these are the 5mm add-on, which I have as well. We have a deep like navy blue, which is really nice. We have that hot neon pink hearts, a neon yellow with white bows, and a kind of aqua with like hearts and vines with silver. These are really, really nice as well. Alright guys, so that was the June Simply Gilded box of 2020 with Aloha. So beautiful. Color-wise, definitely one of my very, very favorite Simply Gilded boxes ever, and I think I will have to save most of it for next summer, but either way, all these colors made my day. I just adore the color scheme. I also love this pattern oh so much, and I'm so glad I have this beautiful baby with this whole pattern. I could just stare at it for hours, I feel like. Just so beautiful. So thank you so much, Irene, for sharing your beautiful designs and making all these beautiful items. I'm so thankful that I'm able to get this box every month. It just brings a smile to my face, not just when I get the box, but with the previews and everything. Always looking forward to it. So yeah, but also of course I want to say thanks to you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from me. With that said, I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.